This is Nathaniel, and I will be doing my vlog spectacular number 3. This is my cousin Cole on the phone right now. Say hi.
Guys, I'm just going to eat this right now because I know really all these
Okay, so YouTube, what I'm going to be doing in this episode is telling, wait 1 second. Okay, that's my mom just watching the news. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about my Minecraft series. I did some stuff out of the video. I didn't technically cheat. Well, it's not cheating at all, but I just didn't record it. I got leggings and a helmet. I collected some iron, and now I'm gonna be starting a Roblox series. Yay! I want you guys to know, like, if you want me to keep editing videos, so how like I do the song videos, like. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to let you know that I might be doing actually some Call of Duty ones, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing anything special like Call of Duty. I might do the gameplay or the campaign, and yeah, so I'm going to be playing Modern Warfare 2. Not the best game in the world, but I like it. So, let me know what you guys think about my YouTube channel and what you want me to do in the future. Okay, everybody, goodbye. I know I'm still recording, but I'll be stopped recording in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.